こんばんは、Sensei です。よろしくお願いします。今日はカタカナを勉強しましょう。Good evening, this is Sensei. We're going to learn a Katakana alphabet, which is the first of two alphabets. We have Katakana and Hiragana, and we also have Kanji, but we will leave that for now because it will be really difficult to try and learn Kanji straight away. So just for now, the basic alphabet of Katakana, because in future video I will put what happens with ka, for example. If you put the dash, like a speech mark dash, above it, it'll become ga. So as that would possibly seem overwhelming, just the regular alphabet, just by itself, will be the first thing to do. So we have the 5 vowel, and they are not pronounced A, I, U, E, O, like in the English language. It's A, I, U, E, O. This grid is just a show. You literally say like k, a, ka. So k, a, ka, that is ka. K, I, ki. K, u, ku. Ke, ko. Now there's a couple that are a bit different, so I wrote in red what they are instead. So firstly is a, I, u, e, o. And then next would be with the K line, ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. And then the S line is sa, and instead of si, it's shi. So sa, shi, se, u, su, se, so. Then we have t, ta, and chi. Instead of t, it's chi. And then possibly the hardest one, but once you know it, it's fine, is tsu. T, su, tsu. So ta, chi, tsu, te, to. Then we have N line, na, ni, nu, ne, no. And then H line, ha, hi. And fu, instead of hu, because it's hu, it's fu for some reason, so it's fu. And then he, ho, ma, mi, mu, me, mo. Then we have ya, no yi, you, no ye, and yo. So ya, you, yo. Then R line is pronounced more like an L, so it's la, li, lu, le, lo. Wa, o, although if it's a W-O, that will show up instead of that O on the keyboard. And then n, which is one of the only letters without a vowel, like a K and a Ka. There's A, I, U, E, O, and then n by themselves, instead of like two Romanji letters. And that is the regular katakana, just by itself. Thank you for listening and for watching. I know that Google would have many pictures of these, so you can practice to write them yourself. And mainly if you search food, because katakana language, katakana alphabet is for language that is not native Japanese. So hamburger, pan. Pan is bread. And then cola, Coke. Spoon, not a food, but it's not the Japanese word. And it's spoon would be written in this language alphabet. I am one nervous owl messing up my English. Thank you for reading, watching. 恥ずかしい。じゃあね。日本語を勉強しましょうね。じゃあね。